Hey, this is Marky. Welcome to Mystery Coding Puzzles. On this channel, we'll be solving all sorts of mystery coding puzzles, from beginner to advanced. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So if you're looking for a fun and challenging way to learn to code, or if you just want to test your skills, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Let's talk about this puzzle. Why it is interesting or challenging? Well, it relies on recursive calls to generate a specific pattern, which might confuse readers due to the unconventional approach. It requires students to decipher and map the cryptic code to the requested pattern, adding an element of complexity and riddle solving to the exercise. This puzzle challenges your problem-solving skills by encouraging you to devise unconventional solutions to create the desired pattern, all without resorting to traditional loops. It also incorporates string manipulation for an added layer of complexity, so prepare yourself to take on this intriguing puzzle. It's an opportunity to broaden your coding horizons and explore creative solutions. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's take a look at the outstanding challenge. The puzzle is to write a program that prints the following pattern. Can you solve it? You can solve this problem in any language. And remember, don't use any loops. Now pause the video, take a moment and allow you a few seconds to ponder the outstanding challenge. Now, the ultimate question. What's your solution? Have you managed to conquer this coding challenge? If you have, then congratulations, you've taken another step forward in the battle of life, mastering the art of problem solving. If you're stuck, fear not, I'll give you a hint. Okay, now, let's break down these hints step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. Number 1. Focus on how the values in each row are shifting. The pattern appears to slide from one position to another. Number 2. Examine how the numbers in each row are calculated. Consider the starting point and the wrapping around logic. Number 3. The code uses recursion to build the pattern. Pay attention to how the recursive function operates in terms of rows and columns. Number 4. Notice the use of spaces in the pattern. They are strategically placed. And understanding the pattern's structure is essential to replicate it. Armed with these step-by-step instructions, you're well prepared to tackle the challenge. Let's begin. One point at a time, see what magnificent pattern you can create. But if you find yourself still seeking the solution, if you're still finding this puzzle a bit puzzling, don't worry. You can follow the link in the description to access the solution. Sometimes, a little guidance can help you unravel the mystery. Happy coding! Until then, sayonara.